And what differs Viidakkopolku 4 staircase made? You can hear the hydraulics.
Yeah.
Schindler from late 2000, completed in 2001.
Machine over here.
We saw it on the window. It's from 00, that's 2000.
Yeah.
And
one window has been replaced in 2002.
And one glass was replaced in 2002. 8 pressure 630 grams, 9874136. And yeah, according to Oikotie.fi, it's completed in 2001. But still late 1990s, this model.
Yeah.
Also the bubbles are beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Even though these lights are mostly used in generics, they still look good, nice.
Yeah, of course they do. They are not bad. There are 5 floors. It's going to be inspected in 2020. Probably turning 20 years then that time. The floor indicator changes quickly after starting.
Yeah.
Inspected by made by Kone.
But this is not maintained by Schindler, by Kone instead.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it has been maintained by Schindler before.
Yeah.
It's possible.
Yeah. Now they just want better maintenance.
Yeah.
So they chose Kone.
That's